Good morning, dear colleagues and friends. Today I'm honored to introduce you the outstanding DX80D Excavator. This remarkable machine is a game changer in the construction industry. The DX80D, with an operating weight of 7,900 kilograms, offers remarkable stability. It is powered by the Yanmar engine, delivering a robust 41.3 kilowatts of power. This ensures it can handle various tasks with ease. With a maximum digging depth of 4,167 mm and a digging radius of 6,349 mm, it can reach areas that are hard to access. In addition to its power, the DX80D also excels in operator comfort. The special cab is ergonomically designed, reducing fatigue during long working hours. Moreover, its compact size allows it to work in tight space, making it suitable for a wide range of jobs, from urban construction to small-scale agriculture projects. The DX80D is engineered for maximum output. Equipped with a 0.3 cubic meter large bucket, it delivers exceptional digging and loading efficiency, reducing cycle times and boosting overall productivity. For heavy-duty tasks like demolition or rocking breaking, the reinforced boom and the arm ensure structural integrity even under extreme stress. In conclusion, the DX80D is a top-tier excavator combining power, versatility, and user-friendliness. It's a reliable choice for any construction or earth-moving project. Thank you.